Welcome back to the channel. Today's episode we're going to be working on the bumper and the grille. Got some repairs to do to the bumper. Get them prepped, ready for paint. Before we do that, we need our coffee. Let's go. So here's what we need to repair on the bumper. This is where the chin spoiler attaches, and it looks like just over time it's been catching curbs and it's just ripped it off. So we're going to try and plastic weld it back together now. I'll put you on a time lapse while we do it. So I'm just using the heat gun just to warm the plastic up to make it a little bit easier to manoeuvre with. It was quite badly damaged. I'm actually surprised that I managed to get it to hold together.
I struggle to see what your reasons are. Sitting in your balance, silence breaks my heart. Turn the key used to be our getaway car. Now I only wanna get away from where we are. 'Cause it's fake, yeah.
So here's what we've done, guys. As you can see there, it's all back together now. A few there, and then this was the worst bit. Seems to have held pretty good. So we'll cut all the ends off now. Just sand it down, and that should be that should hold.
'Cause it's fake, yeah. Say you need a break, yeah. I struggle to see what your reasons are. Sitting in your balance, silence breaks my heart. Turn the key used to be our getaway car. Now I only wanna get away from where we are. 'Cause it's fake, yeah.
So sanded everything down, ground it all back. Looks a lot better, should hold now as well. Did solder just a piece of cable tie in there just to give it a little bit more strength. So that should be a lot better. Let's move on to getting the whole bumper sanded and ready for paint. So here I'm just going over the bumper with a bit of 320 grit. Just as I was sanding it down, I've noticed a little bit more damage here. It's going to need to be plastic welded, and the same on this end as well. It's going to need to be plastic welded. More than that, still got quite a bit of sanding left to do before we can start hitting it with a coat of primer. So let's get back to it. It's been a few days since I was last working on the bumper. We've done the repair on it, sanded it a little bit, done a little bit more sanding on it, got it ready for primer now. So I've also done the grille. That's all the bits for the grille. Put a little bit of sheeting up just to help with the dust. So let's get to it. Give it a good clean down with the wax and grease remover. Make sure there's no contaminants on there. By the way, this is the very first time we've ever done any of this. Never done this before, so I'm learning as I go along. another spray down and another wipe down just to make sure they're completely clean. And here now, I'm just going over the second time with the wax and grease remover just before we start to do the first coat of primer. Primer we're using is a 2K high build primer by UPOL. So I started rubbing it down with the 800 grit sandpaper and it was just not knocking it down enough, so I switched over to a 600 grit sandpaper, which seemed to do the trick. So it's all sanded down now, primer's all done, looks alright. I'll just go and put some base down on it now, give it a good clean, a couple of wipes, and put some base on it. So let's get to it. It was pretty cold in the garage, so that's the reason why the heat lamp's on, just to try and warm her up a little bit. So just before painting, just going over it with a tack cloth just to get any loose debris off. And then we start hitting it with its first coat of base. Give it 2 coats of base coat, and then we moved on to the clear. Onto the clear, it got first coat was just a tack coat, and then I give it 2 good thick coats of clear. The next day, let me take you around, show you the mistakes that I've made. So first off, just there, put my thumbprint in it. What can you do? So don't know whether further down the line I might repaint that, might just live with it, you'll see. And then just there, a nice run. Oh yeah, it's a nice big one. And there's another little one just there, and then just round onto here. Got like a little cloudy spot there, so I don't know whether that'll polish out. Don't know, we'll see. But I think it's turned out okay. It's a lovely colour. You see the metallics there. Yeah, paint job's turned out be alright. Not too bad. So that's going to be the end of the episode. I'm not too sure what I'm going to do, whether I'm just going to live with it the way it is or repaint it down further down the line. I do have more paint work to do, so I might just repaint it when I'm doing that. But yeah, that's going to be it for today. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.